Today, we are going to be talking about the words abominable, abound, abreast, abridge, abrupt, abscond, abstain, abstemious, abstruse, and absurd. We will discuss the meaning of each word with their synonyms and antonyms. So, let's start. Abominable. This is an adjective which means extremely unpleasant. The word is often used to describe things that are physically repulsive. However, it can also be used to describe things that are morally repugnant, such as a heinous crime. For example, the war crimes committed by the Nazis were abominable. Now, let's explore some synonyms for abominable. Hateful, despicable, repulsive, disgusting, offensive, foul, vile, etc. And antonyms for the word are delightful, admirable, commendable, attractive, enjoyable, appealing, pleasing, etc. Abound. It is a verb and it refers to a situation where something exists or occurs in great quantities. The word is often used to describe things that are found in great numbers, such as fish in the oceans or stars in the sky. For example, the oceans abound with life. Let's look at some synonyms. Flourish, plentiful, proliferate, multiply, swarm, overflow, team, etc. And antonyms for the word are lack, dwindle, diminish, decrease, wane, deplete, or scarce. Our next word is abreast. It is an adverb that means to be up to date or well informed about something. The word is often used to describe people or things that are moving at the same speed or that are at the same level of understanding. For example, we need to keep abreast of the latest developments in technology. Means we need to keep up to date on the latest developments in technology. Synonyms for the word include side by side, level with, alongside, parallel, equidistant, even, matched, etc. And on the other hand, we have apart, separate, distant, isolated, detached, unconnected, out of date, etc. as antonyms. Moving on, we have abridge. It is a verb that means to shorten or condense a piece of writing or speech. The word is often used to describe books or articles that have been condensed or summarized. For example, the editor abridged the book to make it more manageable. Synonyms for the word include condense, shorten, truncate, compress, reduce, curtail, cut, etc. And as antonyms we have expand, elaborate, protract, amplify, prolong, stretch, increase, etc. Abrupt. It is an adjective which refers to something happening quickly without warning or lacking smoothness. The word is often used to describe changes or events that happen suddenly or unexpectedly, such as an earthquake or a traffic accident. Let's see this word in an action. The earthquake was so abrupt that it caught everyone by surprise. Synonyms for the word are sudden, unexpected, immediate, hasty, quick, rapid, swift, etc. And on the other hand, we have gradual, smooth, gentle, progressive, slow, prolonged, mild as antonyms. Abscond. It is a verb which means to leave or escape secretly and often hurriedly, especially to avoid detection or punishment. The word is often used to describe people who have committed crimes. For example, the fugitive absconded to Mexico to avoid being arrested. Let's look at some synonyms for the word. Flee, escape, run away, bolt, vanish, elope, desert, etc. And as antonyms we have stay, remain, abide, linger, await, comply, surrender, and so on. Let's now explore the word abstain. It is a verb and it refers to consciously avoiding or declining participation in a particular action or behavior. Let's see this in an action. The vegetarian abstains from eating meat because they believe it is cruel. The synonyms for the word include refrain, withhold, avoid, forgo, renounce, resist, decline, etc. And on the other hand, we have indulge, participate, embrace, engage, pursue, enjoy, accept, etc. as antonyms. Abstemious is an adjective which describes someone who exercises self-discipline, especially in relation to consuming food or drink. Let's see it in action. The doctor advised the patient to be abstemious in his drinking, means that the doctor told the patient to drink very little alcohol. Synonyms for the word include temperate, frugal, sparing, moderate, self-controlled, disciplined, ascetic, etc. And on the other hand, we have indulgent, excessive, immoderate, lavish, wasteful, intemperate, extravagant, etc. Abstruse. It is also an adjective, means something or somebody is difficult to understand. Let's see the word in a sentence. Advanced physics concepts can be abstruse, requiring deep knowledge and extensive study to grasp their meaning. In other words, advanced physics concepts are hard to understand because they use complex math and theories that most people don't understand. Let's look at the synonyms. Obscure, arcane, cryptic, enigmatic, perplexing, recondite, mysterious. And on the other hand, we have straightforward, simple, comprehensible, evident, clear, lucid, understandable, etc. And finally, we have absurd, which is an adjective. The word absurd is used to describe something that is so illogical or unreasonable that it's laughable or ridiculous. Let's see the word in a sentence. Karan's absurd behavior made me laugh out loud. In this sentence, the word is used to describe Karan's behavior as being so illogical or unreasonable that it's laughable. Let's look at some synonyms. Preposterous, nonsensical, impractical, bizarre, ridiculous, illogical, irrational, etc. And on the other hand, we have sensible, logical, reasonable, valid, rational, coherent, plausible, etc. And with that, this is the end of the lesson. Thank you.